In a world where urban mobility is constantly evolving, finding the perfect electric scooter becomes more than just a means of transportation. It's about efficiency, style, and reliability. Join us as we dive into the world of electric scooters and explore the unique features of some of the best models available. First up, let's take a look at the Hiboy S2 Pro electric scooter. With its powerful 500 watts motor and long-lasting battery, this scooter is designed to tackle your daily commute with ease. Whether you're zipping through city streets or cruising along bike paths, the Hiboy S2 Pro delivers a smooth and comfortable ride. Next, we have the Hurtle Folding Electric Scooter. Perfect for those who value portability and convenience. Its foldable design makes it easy to transport and store, while the powerful 300 watts motor ensures swift acceleration and smooth cruising. Plus, with hand-activated brakes and LED display, safety and control are always top priorities. For the most classic and reliable option, look no further than the Gotrax GXLV 2 Series electric scooter. With its long battery life, solid tires, and improved 250 watts motor, this scooter strikes the perfect balance between performance and practicality. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring the great outdoors, the Gotrax GXLV2 has you covered. For those seeking extended range and enhanced efficiency, the Segway 9Bot Max foldable electric scooter is the ultimate choice. With its 551 Wh battery and ride-along technology, you can enjoy up to 43 miles of eco-friendly travel. Add in dual suspension and reliable braking, and you have a scooter that's as safe as it is stylish. If off-road adventures are more your speed, then the ElectricScooterAdults is the perfect companion. Equipped with 10-inch pneumatic tires and an 800 watts motor, this scooter can handle anything from city streets to dirt paths. Plus, with its adjustable handlebar height and foldable design, it's as versatile as it is powerful. For those who crave power and performance, look no further than the ElectricScooterAdults by Kunfen. With its 1,200 watts motor and max speed of 31 miles per hour, This scooter is built for speed and agility. Add in dual braking, dual suspension, and keyless unlock. And you have a scooter that's ready to take on any adventure. And for the ultimate adrenaline rush, there's the Velsine T108 electric scooter. With its dual motors, large capacity battery, and top speed of 50 miles per hour. This scooter is not for the faint of heart. Whether you're tackling steep hills or navigating rough terrain, the T108 delivers an exhilarating ride like no other. Last, but certainly not least, we have the Tumotsi K8-6000 watt electric scooter. With its dual motor, high capacity battery, and max range of 70 miles. This scooter is in a league of its own. Add in dual suspension, RGB ambient lights, and a foldable design. And you have a scooter that's as stylish as it is powerful. Whether you're looking for convenience, performance, or adventure, there's an electric scooter out there for you. So why wait? Join the electric revolution today and experience the future of urban mobility like never before.